Yes, my name's Helena and I do all the accounts for the business. Because we're finding there's quite a large skills gap with this all elderly generation. Not many new people coming into the business, so there will be a terrible gap in the future. Knowledge. We have, it's quite a big company, we employ about 50 people, but they've all got varying different knowledge and skills that they can give to Katie. Because their enthusiasm rubs off onto other members of staff. I would say for them to do it because they give them training off-site and on-site, full support, and that's what this country needs. That's what this industry needs.